Sticky today. This is one of my vlogs by myself and making a slime video. So one of my slimes, super hard to open. Okay. Be amazed. Okay, so this is one of my slimes, super sticky, but oh wait a second, what the? It's not sticky? What the heck? It was sticky like a second ago, literally a second ago. Maybe, I don't know. It's like super gooey, stretchy. What it looks like, it's purple, it's purple. I say purple, but I call it purple to be funny. My first one is my second one. Let me grab a little piece. Stretchy. It breaks, but it's another fluffy slime. I have way more of it, so it's just a little piece to show you. It's stretchy. Yeah, I could say that. So one of my slime. Oh no, my slime. Move on to the next one. I want to do this. Okay, never mind. I don't know. You didn't hear that. But I don't know why I feel so quick. But okay, actually, this one. Okay, it's my other one. I made it from actually my cousin made it from a slime kit. But guess what? My cousin, he dropped mine on the floor, and then now there's grass in it. I don't have it anymore because he threw it in the trash. So. Look, listen. So good. Okay. After my slimes go, I don't have any slimes, barely any slimes, so I'm gonna probably get more throughout this year. This is guacamole slime. It's supposed to look like guacamole, but it's stretchy. I might do a prank with this. I'll be like, oh yeah, I want some guacamole. I'll put it in the bowl. Do you want some guacamole? I'll put like chunks in it, like tomatoes, salt, stuff. And I'll be like, oh yeah, sure. And he'll get it. And he'll be like, oh yeah, it's so slimy. And he'll rip it. And be like, oh. He'll see the real truth. I'll probably do it on my brother. I don't know. I'll get in trouble, but he's literally gonna eat. He's gonna eat rubbing alcohol, detergent, softener, glue, and shaving cream. Oh, this is my last one. I mean, hurry. This is my DAC. I bought it from the store. Super stretchy. You can't even rip it. I'm so, like, you can't. Oh no, okay. Look. Okay. Such a... Finally I ripped it. This is my first time ripping it. The only bad thing about this, look at the top, the shape of this top. And look at this. The shape of this. It's hard to like, wait, let me put the DAC in here. It's hard to figure out which little thing goes in which, so. Oh, I got it? Got it. That's the end of the video. I wish it was longer, but I don't have that much slime. So hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, and share. That's my ending, but I just also want to say, just with this video, I really want you to subscribe. So, like, subscribe, share. Bye. Goodbye.